Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Line of sight flying RC is still the best. Woo! Go! Pick it up! Ah, boing! Assalamualaikum and greetings and good morning. alishanmao here. I'm going to fly my VolantextRC little F4U Corsair with Radio Master TX16S. In the morning today we are having a little bit of flying party. Have some friends, we are flying together. Full throttle! Man, I can tell you, line of sight flying RC is still the best, and the most of the fun is flying line of sight. Since the FPV came, racing drones and stuff, it's just no variety left. Everything is same. Flip here, flip there, dive here, dive there. But with line of sight RC, you can have variety. You can have a lot of fun. Woo! Go! Pick it up! Come on! You know, this is good. They should really arrange such kind of gathering every weekend. We used to fly like this before. It's so much fun to fly together, all the friends coming together, enjoying RC hobby together. No FPV, pure line of sight flights. Come on, pick it! Ah! Distracting! Ah, boing! Ah, da 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 da! Ra da 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 da! I found the enemy! Da 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 da! Oh, I have no speed! 我的飞机太慢了! Dive, dive, dive! Beautiful landing.